What to avoid when it comes to planning for your facility maintenance? Number 1, avoid assigning a job to a group. Instead, assigning a dedicated individual as a PIC. This is to avoid miscommunications ending up nobody attending the case. Number 2, avoid assigning a technician to attend a case without the right skill sets. Try and error is not recommended, especially when you're dealing with expensive equipment. Outsource it if you must. Number 3, avoid starting a job empty-handed. Always plan to bring along a set of tools or spare parts required for the jobs. Number 4, never underestimate the cost of maintenance, especially when you're dealing with significant amount of production downtime. Lastly, don't forget to review your maintenance plans. Practice PDCA to improve your maintenance plan from time to time. Follow our page for more features and ways to simplify your facility maintenance management. Download Reams CMMS now.